How smart devices can simplify your life, save money, and protect the planet. In the smart home realm, technology is common. Smart devices save money, protect the environment, and offer insurance discounts benefiting your wallet, home, and planet. Devices like Flow by Moen or FinPlus by Belkin detect plumbing leaks, alert potential water damage, and can automatically shut off your water supply. Water damage often leads to insurance claims, making these devices a smart investment. Motion detectors, security cameras, and burglar alarms discourage break-ins and provide evidence if needed. Insurance companies value reduced theft and vandalism risks. Fire or smoke alarms, such as Nest Protect, offer real-time alerts, preventing catastrophic damage. Devices like Nest or Ecobee adjust heating and cooling automatically, preventing energy waste. According to Energy Star, smart thermostats can save an average of $50 annually on energy bills. Early detection of risks, 24/7 monitoring, and integration with emergency services protect your family and enhance home security. By investing in smart home devices, you're not just upgrading your lifestyle. They promote sustainability and savings via energy efficiency, water conservation, and insurance discounts, offering long-term financial benefits and environmental impact. Assess your needs, beginning with security, energy, or water devices. Ensure compatibility with your system. Contact insurers like Progressive, State Farm, or USAA for potential discounts.
Go to GearBrain for more information.